Gawa pa na mabanlas na mga balaya nila dito. Pero na. Away, lisod na kayo ng ingunanang agian sa imong balay, Brigada Cap, no?
Sa tuwa sa lisod, banlas yun.
Luluan. Grabe yun ang kabalayan. Gibanlas, sumayo niya matay. Di na mabasta-basta ni nga tubiga, magahigala kung sa pag-initaw ni Bayin. O, nag-iingo na to kung siya man nga rason, ani. No? Ipahigmata, magitag maayo. Nga di na to na diya lagi taon na yamaan ng atong mga proyekto, Brigada Cap, no?
Atong kalikupan, di na to na.
Oh, niya kanibang di sa ginato na diya yama-yamaan ang ato ang kalikupan kay maunay makatabang protektar na to. No? Mao siguro gyud ni Brigada Cap nganong ngayon ani naman ni grabe naman gining baha ron di naman lang kay tagatuhod tagaliog. No? Lapaw bay naman ning mga baha.
Let's go, Fantabulous 5!
Imagine all the new places you'll go with Mickey and his crew.
Heroes, let's get to work!
It'll be super fun.
Up the stairs can take you anywhere.
Come on!
Imagine the adventure.
Ready to hit the trail?
Maybe we should keep moving.
Imagine the fun.
Ta-da!
Where will you go?
I love safaris!
Mickey Mouse Funhouse. Every day on Disney Junior.
My name's Ariel, and these are my friends.
Go on an adventure with Ariel and all her fantastic friends and family.
It's fashion time! You look fantastic. I love it.
Ariel. Weekend mornings on Disney Junior.
Let's go, baby. Come on now. I get strong. You get strong.
Hey guys, done for some deep sea fishing? Crack of dawn Saturday?
Oh, let's go, baby.
What time are you heading back?
We'll be back by dusk.
We're gonna be all right. We're four big, strong men.
Well, you can't bench press the ocean.
Look at this haul. This weather is not good.
We gotta wrap it up.
Nicholas, it's Mom. I know you went out fishing this morning. This big storm's supposed to hit. Love you, hon. Bye.
Get back to the boat. I get strong. You get strong. You get strong. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
This is now a rescue mission.
We've got some men out in the open water.
4 men in the middle of a giant storm.
What's happening to him?
Hypothermia.
Captain, is my boy still alive?
Let's turn this thing up. I'm gonna do everything in my power to bring him home safe and sound.
Right now. Let's go.
No visual. Weather getting worse.
We are not done yet.
Hang on. I love you.
Hope is the strongest thing that we have.
I get strong. You get strong. We get strong.
Day trip abroad. Tsak na sulit dahil sa dami ng i-explore. Tara sa makasaysayan at makulay na kultura sa Republic of Turkey.
Look at that.
Bansang napapalibutan ng mga gusaling may tuturing na architectural marvel. Mula sa makabagong istruktura hanggang sa mga historical landmarks. Isa raw sa hindi dapat palampasin ang Hagia Sophia, dating katolikong simbahan na ginawang moske.
Makikita mo pa rin yung images ni Jesus Christ at saka ni Mama Mary, hindi nila tinanggal. Kasi nag-goosebumps ako nung pumasok talaga ako sa Hagia Sophia. Feeling ko like 100 years of history ang na-witness ko.
Walang basagan ng trip sa babasaging trip na pwedeng dayuhin para mamili ng Turkish ceramic. Makukulay, iba't ibang hugis at dekalidad ang kitchenware, figurines at iba pang mapagpipilian. Magpalutang-lutang sakay ng hot air balloon sa Cappadocia. Nakakalula sa una, pero mas malulula sa ganda ng tanawing makikita. Nakakamanga ang bawat sulok.
Pero pagdating namin doon, ang daming magagandang place. Like kahit saan ka mag-stop, picture perfect yung yung location.
Sa Bosporus Cruise in Istanbul, mas mapagmamasdaan ang ganda ng Turkey. At syempre, subukan ang iba't ibang Turkish cuisine.
Ang dessert sa Turkey, bumabaha talaga siya. So every single time kakain ka sa Turkey, dapat meron kang space for desserts kasi it's talaga part of their meal.
Oscar Oida nagpabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.